Coutinho had to be flown direct. He finished his international assignment.
Right.
Liverpool sent. By the time he was walking out of the field, the pilot was already switching on the engine.
It is always a partnership between Liverpool, Manchester City, and Chelsea. Because there are a couple of players are from Chelsea who play in South America, the likes of Willian, and of course we also have the Manchester City actually, the Kun Aguero though didn't travel for the international duty. The likes of Fernandinho is out, Claudio Bravo, all those guys from South America. Most of them play for Manchester City, of course, Coutinho, who plays for Liverpool. So it's a lunchtime kickoff at 11:30 huko hivi. No, 11:30 in the UK. It's 2:30 in Kenya. Then we land kesho alafu cheze. Jet lag itakuumiza. Arsenal kwangi kwa list. So relax, the game is a late kickoff. Next week is the Champions League.
I think they sent one flight to just pick all of them.
Yeah, they're all
one charter.
Chelsea mko wangapi? Man City mko wangapi? Manchester we don't send.
There's our private jets.
We have our own Manchester United private jet.
PSG utuma moja. Inasanya wote. PSG.
Yes. PSG. But one of the most special way players ever been picked was Sadio Mane after Africa Cup of Nations. He left the pitch straight to home, bid everyone by, straight to the plane, one person.
In the plane?
In the plane.
Yeah.
Remember there's a guy called Javino. He used to play for Arsenal and Ivory Coast. Alikuwa na kipara kubwa sana. Sasa alikuwa anafunga nywele hapa.
Okay. Yes, Javino, yes.
So Roma imeorganize plane and it's kwa Javino. It's private jet. Javino peke yake. Ninja na feature dem ndani.
Ingia na mtu wake.
Akasema kuna watu wawili hapa mimi ndege itoki kwa mtu mwingine hapa. Sijui ni nani. Akamchukisha bana. Video shukisha wote.
Tutaenda naye. Also another person who was picked by the plane, one man, ni Aubameyang. Borussia Dortmund.
It's a big game this weekend.
Yes, a big game.
It's a team that actually gave back the Nicaragua for their money last season, the German Bundesliga. And let's wait and see what is going to happen for Bayern Munich, because they have a new coach, Jaap Heynckes. Until the end of the season, the man who won the Madrid. This is the fourth time actually is going to be coaching Bayern Munich. So it's definitely a big weekend. AC Milan and Inter Milan. The Milan derby on Sunday. Juve against Lazio, and then Napoli will be playing against Roma.
Any confirmations of whereabouts of Liège the Menace?
I spoke to Brio of ED during the show on Saturday, and sema ime-load paka 60%. So he's just waiting for confirmation from Nantes. It's a long process, not an easy process. So I'm not saying that. What was the answer room up at Ulecha and failed medical? No, he was traveling to France last week, according to what Brian told me on the show on Saturday. That he was traveling to France last week. Final details up and apart, then I will sign a deal with Nantes. It all goes well.
Fantastic. Fingers crossed.
Pray for him.
For Dennis the Menace. Thanks, John. Well, where did you get all this information from, man? You're not reading any scripts. Uangali mahali natoka wapi?
Upako wa Yesu kwa akili na passion.
Naka KDF.
Nakale kakitu.
Mulalanga.
It's the Hot Breakfast with Jeff and Jalango.